Hey, this is Zach with Agri Spray Drones, and today I'm going to be showing you how it is you get to the distribution board and all of the modules. So first you have to start off with taking off the cover. There are 4 screws here on top. Then once you have the 4 out of the top, you then have to go the screws on the bottom. There's 1 on each corner. The legs kind of get in the way of these. And then when you're popping off this top cover, first you gotta get around the headlights. Pop it up over. Then you gotta take it off the binocular vision. And then it should just slide up over the upwards facing radar. And then once you get here, you have to take off the upwards facing radar. Then once you get it taken off, you'll see you have to disconnect this cable. And once the upward facing radar is off, you'll move on to the binocular vision. Again, once you get the 2 screws taken off the front, you undo these 2 screws to the cable. And once you get the binocular vision off, the next step is to get this bracket out of your way. And once you have the bracket out of your way, the next step is taking off this FPV camera. And as you can see, you'll need to take off the bottom cover when taking off the FPV camera, which we already took the screws out earlier. Then after the 2 screws on top, you then have the 2 screws on bottom here. Then you'll pop these out of the little bracket inside the FPV. And then you'll have to disconnect this cable under here. And here's the FPV camera taken off. Then that is the last step to being able to get to your distribution board, all the cables, and then as you can see, the modules are here on the back side. Check out our next video, which is disassembling this and taking off all the modules from the distribution board.